did say I was going to pick something up from Spirit. Here is Wind Up Wally. Brand new for 2026 and probably one of my favorites from this year. So let's get straight into the unboxing. I have to say, for the past year, Spirit has been getting better at their packaging because they've started to include slide-out trays, so it's easy for storage to like put back in and take out. This was the last one in stock at my local store, so I'm happy that we were able to get them. Now it's time for the slide out. Okay, it's coming out. Only problem is, for most of these, you need like two people, one to hold the end of the box and the other one to pull the actual thing out. I got it. Let's see him. There we go. Here we have his instructions, hat and adapter. Excuse me. Close. His head. It's definitely a type of, probably like a latex, but she doesn't feel like a latex. But here's his head. Let's see. His hands. I definitely want to see if I can try, because he's down like this. I want to try and make him like come out like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that. Now the main thing why I got him is because I think it's a unique concept to have a wind-up, like, full-scale, like, wind-up doll. Oh, yeah, these are easy to bend. I'm probably just going to bend them. And he does use the Young Crouchy mold for his shoes. So these are basically just the same mold as Young Crouchy, but it's a little bit different paint job. It does have a pom-pom at the end. Same thing with his other shoe. I think he's around 5 foot, but the only reason why he is even around that height is because of his massive hat. His hip. Look at his mechanism. This thing is insane. I definitely probably need to get a scissor. It's a small mechanism, but it's powerful. The box. And here is his base. Now he does have 2 pulls in the back, because he rips up the whole entire base when he pops out at you. Yeah, I definitely need to go get a scissor. I'll be right back.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so I got the scissor. Now it's time to open up the instructions and take off the rest of all this plastic and just get straight into the building. So he is done. I just have to say one downside on him. The hat gives him all of his height. That's the only reason why when he pops up, he's around 5 foot. One thing that I love about him is the key in the back. I definitely think this was a great concept and they did it really well. Anyway, let's get to the demo.
Oops, I didn't mean to scare you.
And he has a really good quality for a $150 prop. I definitely have to say the mechanism, from the looks of it, is very high quality, and so are his clothing. And I love, even though after he pops up, the key still turns.
I'm wound up way too tight.
I think it has two more lines.
Wind me up. I dare you. Let's do that again. Again. Wind me up one more time. Or else.
I definitely think they could have added a little bit blood to him, because on his shoes it does show blood, like little speckles. They could have added like a little bit blood to him.
Oops, I didn't mean to scare you.
This is what I was talking about. The key in the back still turns. And all in all, I love this guy, and he's a great pickup for the circus tent this year. Thank you guys for watching, and please go watch my other videos.